Hello, we are FRC Team 2468, and we will be talking about the pneumatics applications for the first LEGO League competition.
We have gathered all the materials you will need in order to be successful in FLL. These consist of a pump, a tank, pistons, a gauge, and tubing, and a switch. Now, pumps are used in order to fill up the gas tanks that are seen here with air using these pneumatic tubes. The air that is stored in these can be seen with the pressure gauge, and it'll go from all the way from 1 to 60, though PSI of 30 to 40 is usually preferred. Then once you have this air stored, the pistons that you have here can have air going either in one little sector here or in this section in order to make it go in or out. With these pistons, you can generate movement and translate that movement to mechanisms. As you can see, there are different sizes of pistons. In order to control where the air goes, these switches are used so that you can put air in here or here, and then flip the switch accordingly in order to make air come out one side. In order to use the pistons or any of the mechanisms, you can connect the tubing into this hole that you see on all the pneumatic instruments, like so. Now we will demonstrate real-life examples of using pneumatics.
Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, email us at westlakerobotics@eansisd.net. Good luck with your robot build.